Welcome to Edomains. In this tutorial, we will see how to set up a domain forwarder. In order to add a domain forwarder, your domain must be pointing to our name servers first. Our name servers are. Let's add the forwarder. Please log into your Edomains account. Click on Domains. Click on the three dots at the right of the domain that you want to use and click Manage Domain. Now click Domain Forwarders. To add a new domain forwarder, select its type, permanent or temporary. Provide redirect URL to redirect domain. Select www redirection type. You can also enable the wildcard forwarder. This will redirect every subdomain to the destination address. Click Add Domain Forwarder to enable the forwarder. You can see this demo forwarder created here. If you want to delete a forwarder, just click here. If you have any questions, please open a ticket and we will reply as soon as possible.